Hi cooks! Let's cook creamy and cheesy shrimp. So first, let's fry all the peeled shrimp seasoned with salt and pepper. If nag-color orange na yung both sides ng shrimp, ay pwede rin nating kunin. On the same pan, maglagay tayo ng butter and minced garlic. Kasunod ay ang all-purpose cream. Pagkulo nito, ay pwede na nating ilagay yung mga shrimp. At panghuli nating ilagay ang cheese. Haluin lang at takpan natin sandali. Look at that! So yummy!